Upbeat music plays, opening animation with the Buy Smart logo. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do all the heavy lifting to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the Heygelo S90 drone, and on the right, the Teamies drones with camera for adults 4K. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's kick things off with our first category: camera quality. The Heygelo S90 comes with a 1080p HD camera. According to reviewers, it's sufficient for their hobby needs, but don't expect cinema quality footage. On the other hand, the Teamies drone boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable camera and a 110 degrees FOV lens. Reviewers love the stunning visuals and high-quality photos and videos it can capture. If you're into aerial photography, Teamies is your go-to choice. Next up, let's talk about flight stability. The Heygelo S90 has altitude hold and full propeller guards, making it super stable and safe, great for beginners and kids. Reviewers appreciate its durability despite being lightweight and prone to drifting. Teamies, however, takes it up a notch with an optical flow positioning sensor and brushless motors, making it more stable and quieter. Reviewers highlight its smooth and cinematic hover capabilities. For ultimate stability, Teamies is the clear winner. All right, let's dive into the fun stuff: special features. The Heygelo S90 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones, with 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotations, circle flights, and trajectory flights. Reviewers love its range of fun features, making it a hit for kids and beginners. Teamies offers one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, headless mode, and gravity control. It's advanced and sleek, and reviewers appreciate its ease of use and sophistication. This one is a tie. Heygelo brings the fun, but Teamies brings the tech wizardry. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The Heygelo S90 is a steal at just $59. Reviewers find it budget-friendly yet functional, making it a great entry-level option. Meanwhile, Teamies comes in at $99. Though pricier, reviewers agree that it offers excellent value for its premium features. If you're on a tight budget, Heygelo is your guy. If you can splurge a bit, Teamies is worth every penny. Last but not least, flight time. The Heygelo S90 offers up to 26 minutes with 2 modular batteries. Reviewers are impressed with its extended flying time. Teamies, however, doesn't specify the exact flight time, but reviewers note its solid performance and good battery life. Heygelo wins this round with its clearly defined and impressive flight time. Summarizing the reviews, Heygelo S90 is praised for its affordability, durability, and suitability for beginners. However, it falls short in camera quality and app functionality. Teamies drones, on the other hand, receive high marks for their advanced features, camera quality, and overall performance, though some users faced issues with replacement parts and unexpected flight behavior. So there you have it, folks. The Heygelo S90 is great for beginners and those on a budget, while the Teamies drone is perfect for those who want top-notch features and stunning visuals. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.